Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss Haemophilus influenza. What is Haemophilus influenza? Haemophilus influenza is a gram-negative coccobacillary rot. It is gram-negative, so it stains on hematoxylin and eosin stain pink. It mostly causes the upper respiratory tract infections. The properties of Haemophilus influenza are: it is coccobacillary rot, that is explained earlier. It has a polysaccharide capsule. This polysaccharide capsule is responsible for providing its antigenicity. So it has serological typing that is based on antigenicity of its polysaccharide capsule. It has it can enter the bloodstream. Entrance of the bacteria in the bloodstream, this is known as bacteremia. Bacteremia is the bacteria present in the bloodstream. This bacteria does not produce any exotoxin. The peak infections are seen in the children age of 6 months to 1 year. Why? Because there is a decline in the maternal IgG in this age, and after 2 years the IgG is formed in the children and their immunity is enhanced, therefore its infections are decreased. What are the infections that are caused by Haemophilus influenza? The infections that are caused by the Haemophilus influenza are sinusitis, otitis media, septic arthritis, cellulitis, pneumonia, but pneumonia is mostly caused in adults, mainly the adults who have chronic upper respiratory tract infections, sepsis and meningitis. Furthermore, it causes epiglottitis. This epiglottitis is a life-threatening condition mostly caused in children. What is the lab diagnosis of Haemophilus influenza? Haemophilus influenza is grown on this chocolate agar. It is heated blood in which the inhibitors that inhibit the growth of Haemophilus influenza are inhibited. Plus we require factor 5, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Plus we require factor X, that is heme. It can be detected through the Quellen reaction. What is Quellen reaction? It is the swelling of specific capsular polysaccharide. Then we have lattice agglutination test, that is used to detect the Haemophilus influenza. Furthermore, we have another test, FAS. What is FAS? FAS is a test known as fluorescent antibody staining. It is also used to detect the Haemophilus influenza. What is treatment? The treatment of Haemophilus influenza, that is for meningitis, we use ceftriaxone. For simple infections of Haemophilus influenza, we mostly use ampicillin. For sinusitis and otitis media, etc., we mostly use augmentin that contain amoxicillin plus clavulanic acid, and we can also use trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole. This is all about the treatment of Haemophilus influenza infections. Now what about the prevention? For prevention, there is a vaccine that contains type B capsular polysaccharide. Type B capsular polysaccharide, and furthermore it is conjugated with the diphtheria toxoid, and it is given to the children. In what age? Between the ages of 2 to 15 months. Furthermore, rifampin also prevents the spread of Haemophilus influenza. This is all about the Haemophilus influenza. Thank you.